Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 Bluetooth is not showing. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First you need to check your Bluetooth setting. To do that, you need to open settings menu by just tapping Windows plus I in your keyboard. Then after, you can see in the left side menu Bluetooth and devices, just tap on it. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. In my case it is turned off. You need to turn it on. Check again the problem is fixed or not. If not, you have to go with further steps. Second one is you have to run the Bluetooth Troubleshooter. To do that, you need to again press Windows plus I. It will be open settings menu. Under the system section, you need to go to Troubleshoot, scroll down. There it is, just tap on it and go to other troubleshooters and search for Bluetooth. It is right here, just tap on run. Now it is find the problems related with Bluetooth and wait for a few seconds. It is completed. Then it will be find the error and fix it for you. And if it can't fix you, it will guide you through how to fix the problem. So if this one is not working, you can see problem is found and it is fixed. So if this one also not working, you have to restart the Bluetooth services. To do that, press Windows plus R. It will be open run menu. Type services.msc as this one. Just tap on OK. You need to find Bluetooth support service in this menu. Yeah, it is right here. What you need to do is right click on it, tap on restart. Then it will be restart the service. And if that also not working, yeah, I have to say one thing. You have to again go that one, double tap on it and make sure startup type is automatic and tap on apply and OK. If that also not working, you have to update the Bluetooth drivers. To do that, right click on the start menu, go to device manager option, pan the Bluetooth section, choose the Bluetooth adapter. In my case the third one, it is a Bluetooth driver. Right click on it, choose update driver and choose the first option, and you can see in my case it is already installed the latest version. So in your case, if you are in previous version, it will be automatically download the latest version. And you can choose the second one also and again choose this one, and you can select the already installed driver and tap on next. This will automatically install the already driver again. So that also help to fix that issue. If that also not working, you have to reinstall the Bluetooth drivers. To do that, again you need to right click on the start menu, go to device manager and double tap on the Bluetooth section, choose the driver, right click on it, tap on uninstall driver and tap on uninstall. This will uninstall your Bluetooth driver and you have to restart your computer. Then it will be automatically install the suitable driver for you. So if that also not working, you have to check the Windows update. Sometimes Windows update also affect to Bluetooth not working, because sometimes it can be latest Bluetooth version. So to check that, you have to go to start menu, go to setting. In the left side menu, you need to go to Windows update, and you can see in my case it has missing important security updates. You have to tap on check for update. Then it will be check the latest update and automatically download for you. Then after, you have to restart your computer and check again the problem will be fixed or not. And next method is, if this also not working, you have to enable Bluetooth in BIOS and UEFI. To do that, you have to restart your PC and enter the BIOS menu. Usually you can press the F2, F12, delete or ESC during your startup. That is depend on the computer model. You have to check that in the Google also. Ensure the Bluetooth option is enabled in the BIOS section, and if it is disabled, you have to enable it and save the BIOS setting and you can exit. So if that also not working, you have to use the command prompt for advanced fixes. To do that, go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click and run as administrator, tap on yes in the pop-up menu. Now you need to type sc space config space bth serv, that means Bluetooth service, space start equal auto. Hit enter. After the process is completed, again you need to type net space start space bth serv. Hit enter. This step should help you resolve the issue of Bluetooth not showing on your Windows 11. And if none of these methods are not working, that means your Bluetooth has hardware damage or something, so you have to check that into the technician. So I think this video is helpful. So if you think this video helped to fix your issue, please subscribe my channel and like in this video.